Well, that was the first mission, guys. What do you think of the very first mission? We have the strip club. We have our fighting for our lives.
We were dragged down to hell.
We died
and we
got
ascending aliens.
And God mode aliens.
Is our voices coming through?
Yeah.
Coming
through.
Hello.
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 Oh, the mic's down there. You see the little tiny bar that's moving.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh.
Oh, you finally did it.
So now I don't have my main gun anymore that I do use.
That's gay. Ow.
But we do have the infinite ammo one.
Reasons.
Because reasons.
I could give you 13 of them.
Okay, ready for this? Climb.
Oh, parkour!
Kill that bitch. Oh, they're having sex, dude. They're fucking.
Did they get tequila? Oh, that's not tequila.
Don't worry. You'll live.
Jesus. Oh! Okay, yeah. What? Oh, up there on the roof.
Yeah,
See that?
there it is. This is why I love this game. It's just like you see him in the corner of you keep on seeing in the corner of your eye.
Well, time to run.
This is so cumbersome. So where did the alien take you?
Underground.
Under the sea.
Under the sea.
This is
under the
actually-
ground.
This is
Under the dirt.
I think they're keeping trying to get closer to the xenomorph nest.
House.
My friend Matthew was here. He'll explain like all this shit to you because he loves the series.
Alien vs Predator.
Is this like a sequel or a prequel to some shit?
I think it's
Oh, they spring load. Got your legs.
Smack that.
I love the flow.
But I do like how they drag themselves on like across it.
Cool, bitch.
Shit, you must have an angel watching over you or something.
What?
Running a trace. You're over by the refinery?
Okay.
Hey.
That's near Major Van Zandt's last known location.
Oh, there you
Bitches
go.
don't listen to you.
I have to reestablish contact with the Major. Get to the top of the
Just remember, we haven't seen the Predator yet.
Then I'll be able to log into the core network. That should help me reach Van Zandt and any other survivors.
Something's coming towards us.
Some team won.
Some
Fuck you mean? Oh. What the fuck are you doing?
Going
Fall
down
in the
stairs.
What the right?
Let's go back inside because you know that's a good idea.
Hell yeah,
Watch your
dude.
back. Find a power node to get that elevator working.
Oh,
Hey,
yes.
shoddy Bugatti.
Yeah. Double barrel steak up.
Steak. Oh, got the face hungers.
Oh.
Oh, that's the Predator.
Oh, it's hatched. Ooh. Okay.
Bitch.
Remember, okay, so these guys, when they grab on your face, it takes 1/3, like it takes a full.
Jesus!
See?
Oh God.
They're extremely fast and they're really hard to hit.
Here, have this health back. Bitch. Oh, nice.
No.
So yeah, plus what they get. There's a part where there's swarms of them, and they're
Oh my God.
pain in the ass. That's where most of my deaths is going to come from.
And then you realize.
Okay, bye.
One of them was dancing to "Hello, my baby, hello, my darling, hello, my ragtime gal."
Head out to the roof.
Can you speak alien? You sure can.
I can speak alien. Yes. But
No.
No. Despano. Despano.
oh, wow.
Like a gangster.
Feeling like a gangster. No. For a moment, I thought that was right.
to play a gangster?
Never mind that.
God.
Hey, reload.
That's why I do like the shotgun. It's just like the manual. It's a fucking cartridge.
It's a pumped up kicks.
Damn.
Run, better run.
Too soon.
I know.
Point the dish at the colony. I should be
The
able
dish?
to tap into something.
Yeah, this is a giant diff.
Poke-
Okay, we're playing in Mart. You just put in Mart.
Mart?
M-A.
Whoa!
Lights,
Mart.
cans, power levels nominal. Someone shut this place down in a hurry. Fried half the circuits.
Into
I've got
chicken?
pretty much zip inside. If you head back
Finger
down
licking
through the alley,
good.
there's a service bridge.
God damn it, Dan.
Them circuits.
Well, something's near us.
God.
Spooky music.
Spooky, scary aliens come
What's in here?
slithering up your spine. Ingest your face with pregnancy. I don't care.
What the fuck are you saying?
I don't know.
What was that? Oh,
It's an audio diary.
hey. Harsh language. It's an audio diary of Louis Fonsi.
Oh
He wrote
man,
this
that
music.
beautiful sun. It's blinding.
What the hell?
What the hell? What?
I thought I saw something at my feet.
God?
Make sure your feet are feet.
Your face. Your face.
Uh
Oh,
oh.
hi.
Looks like
Buddy.
Bye!
Oh, he's like, I want to date you.
There's no more food.
Why is like in every sort of survival horror game where you have, you know, a supply of weapons, your name is always Rookie? That's what I noticed.
Unlike Isolation.
I've seen Isolation being played, but I've never played it myself.
The only frustrating aspect of that game is that you backtrack if you die. So you have to restart certain levels over from a far beginning.
I took off his and his leg.
Oh.
No sign of Van Zandt.
Here's Johnny.
Scan.
Here's John.
Oh.
Here's John. Wow, he held him.
Oh my
Why did you smack him off the ledge?
I think I did, yeah.
I really want to smack him off the cliff. That'd be awesome.
These xenomorphs know how to wave dash and melee.
No, we.
I guess we're going this way.
This way.
Shoot the blow up thing.
Here
Shoot
they
it,
come.
shoot it. Oh, wait for it. Smart move, dumbass.
Ooh. Ooh la la. Alright. Back with the rifle.
He really tried committing suicide.
Now would be the time. Oh. Did he try to skip? My leg.
Damn, boy.
I totally messed on that one.
Nice. That was gruesome.
Oh, get on the ground.
This is the bullet. Oh, the fucking thing with Nightwing and with Harley Quinn.
Really?
A big Wonder Boy all grown.
Rape.
Oh no. No.
Too late.
Too late. Whistle blowing.
FBI, open up.
I love that meme so much. It's
The
so
Rainbow Six meme is the best.
Let's see what porn we can watch today.
I've got zero access, so you'll have to bypass it on site.
Did we just put in the word March again? Oh shit.
Hello.
Hello. What are you, Hannibal?
No, Silence of the Lambs.
Duh.
Of course.
Okay, ready.
I keep thinking Anthony Hopkins is making that sound.
Then remove the hack device to finalize.
Okay, let's see. What do we put in?
He sounds like a sprinkler.
We put in March again. I guess the word is just.
Oh shit.
This is how we hack. This is how we.
Where's your guns? That sounds like the sound from fucking Roblox.
Come on.
Oh my god. I'm dying.
Oh shit, he died. Oh, get smacked in the mouth, bitch.
Ooh, smack down.
Wow.
I am dead.
We just walk right into him.
I is dead, yes. Acting process.
Heroin.
There he is.
Oh,
Yes, there he is.
there he is.
There they are.
Oh, wait a second.
Killed my wifey. Oh, bitch.
Oh, he's dragging along.
He died.
Why is he taking forever to kill?
I need to get to the door.
Done.
Get to the chopper.
No. 9.
That's how we hack, boys. You put in. I literally I thought he's put inside YU.
No, you.
Oh god.
That's a really amazing other meme, especially the one with Patrick just eating it across. No you.
No, you.
There's so many elevators in this game. I feel like you're playing Metroid.
Plot twist. You are.
You're a girl.
The refinery control room is near the top of the elevator shaft. Scout
I'm
around
gonna go ahead and
get
say
it
it.
back online.
T-posing is just
There should be a
dabbing
power
too.
router in the control room.
Now you can.
Just a.
You're fucking gay.
No. No, you.
So when I played Colonial Marines, my friend made me go through every single nook and cranny looking for those little things.
Nook and cranny.
Why?
Because they are audio logs. So, for
Easter
example,
eggs.
I have no idea how to get to them, but I don't really care either. Did you see his left hand?
What's with his fingers?
Chatter good.
Where are your fingers?
He does the.
Hey,
He
hey.
not very good
I see
coordination.
you, rookie. Online and vitals.
This is blood.
Nope, it's
Looks
jelly.
like
Needle
Somebody
juice.
put too much jelly on their peanut butter and
Radar about to be jammed.
Oh.
Fucking A, Dan.
Hello.
Who's this?
Bishop Wayland? Must be something pretty special down here for the man himself to take a personal interest.
old man.
Alright, I've got security control.
I need help. I got into the
Keep moving through the building. I'm gonna scan for Van Zandt's PDT. We'll get you to the nearest RV point, then pull you both out together.
Nearest RV? Oh, we're going to an RV? Okay. Can I drive this?
Nope.
Nope.
Oh, I guess we have to go through that new door that just opened.
Shoot.
Possibly.
Go through the fan and see what happens.
And nothing's happening.
Nothing.
Oh, so, Daniel, I rewatched a Banjo-Kazooie speedrun recently.
Oh boy.
And
It's more broken than ever.
Oh,
like
boy.
the original game.
Yeah.
Wow.
So you know when you do like a bird bomb and you just kind of like just zoom across?
Yeah.
If you do that close enough to the ground, you can glitch through the ground.
At
Wow.
this point, all Nintendo 64 games are broken. Oh, hi. Hello there. Goodbye. No. Oh, jeez, I thought he got back from the dead. Was it a different one?
Yeet!
Wow. That was awesome.
Those ragdoll effects, though.
I do like the ragdoll effects in this game.
Oh,
They're-
oh, I thought it said 69.
Aw, gay.
Where?
On your gun.
6.
D not.
I.
Did you just shot him in the leg?
Shot him in the ass. Yes, I did.
Here, take my bullets in your ass.
No smoking.
Snows.
Me after.
Me after Chipotle. I think he's dead.
That's what you got.
One can only assume that that's what happens when you shoot a gun at something.
I'm guessing this rookie is Fat Albert.
That's really hurting my throat.
I found the major. Verifying the schematics.
Skies are
Enter the
blue.
main corridor. Then take a sharp right.
Yes,
I need a sweet.
Follow the objective marker.
Gotta reload my gun and say, how do you do?
That was really good, Dan. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, okay. So
What
what
the
should
hell
I?
is that?
This is the flamethrower. But I'm trying to show shotgun out for it, or machine gun.
Shotgun.
Shotgun.
Shotty Bugatti.
Try not to burn yourself.
Burn yourself.
And fuck yourself and sleep yourself.
Holy shit. Looks like you found the hive.
Burn the hive.
I want to shoot these eggs right now because they
Yeah,
do hatch.
They hatch.
Run before they hatch.
Run.
Run, bitch, run.
Run, bitch.
Oh fuck! That one
What?
just opened.
It's a major.
Hello?
These hives.
God. What the hell was that?
Oh, hi.
Oh,
Oh, God.
shoot him. Shoot him.
Oh.
You say it like a champ.
Wait.
Where's the rest of you?
Died.
You?
Yes.
Shit. There's a Xeno in me. Shoot me, rookie.
Just.
What? He smiled.
Did he?
He smiled when you shot him.
There was a glitch in the Matrix
Oh
there.
my God.
Okay. He just closed his eyes and then opened them. This is taking a nap.
Take a seat.
Uh-oh.
Hi.
Boy.
Come on, attack me.
Oh shit, bitch.
You got 2 more on your tail, man.
Oh, bye. Okay.
Get off the
Bye.
ledge.
Oh
my God!
Elevating
What the hell?
God.
Oh, shit.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Got it. Oh, boy. That was too close for comfort.
I want to see you punch him again right off the fucking ledge.
I have to take that
Go
replay
on
for
that
a
bridge.
second.
Go on that bridge. Please. Please go on that bridge again. Oh. What's up, bitch?
Oh! Mario in this game? Whoa! Bye!
Bye. That's too much fun, dude.
What was he? Oh, he was waiting. Smart.
Oh.
Oh, just
I need to think of something. I need to think of
yeah,
something.
health.
Health is good.
I need to think of something. Okay.
Oh,
Flame
shit,
boy.
Bitch is about to get flamed.
Jesus.
Oh God, here comes God. Oh, that was cool.
Oh, that's right. Their acid is flammable, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, their blood is flammable.
That's nasty.
I'm on fire.
Oh my God. No, why?
Okay.
All right, let's do this all over again.
Do it all over again.
Actually, let's end it right there.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
I've been Religious Jake, and my partners have been.
And,
Dying with laughter at how badly designed this game is.
Sexy Dan.
Good night, everyone.